Now we're getting all the ductwork sealed up. There's no exposed pipes or anything. Everything's wrapped up. All the edges of that insulation is sealed with foil tape. And there's a lot of problems all the way through there underneath. So we're getting there. Now we'll be covering up the front of this. And it won't be particularly high dollar. Of course, I'm trying to keep this on a budget, but it will look way better than it did. Profile's the best side. Anyway, the metal makes it look a lot better. If you notice, everything's out of squares. It's now animal proof, probably person proof. That would have been a great hidey hole for a homeless person.
Oh yeah.
The animals made a mess of all the ductwork. We spent hours sealing that all up, but now he's got something that is going to last for a while, and everything's going to be appraising for better. So whenever the appraisers come out to say, "Hey, this property looks like it's worth this much," it doesn't look as bad as whatever was there before. Frankenstein, it's alive, kind of thing. But here we are on a budget. I'll probably charge him $200 for the materials and then labor, and then he'll have a better situation we can go to the bank with.